getting unloaded here in Superior, Wisconsin. Right by Lake Superior. Uh-oh. Starting to spit snow a little bit. That's not good. Damn it. You can hear Chase playing with his phone. I got some leftovers in the microwave. After this, we're gonna cross a river or something that looks like a river into Duluth, Minnesota, which is literally 3.6 miles away, where we're gonna pick up some sort of paper, maybe rolls of paper, going to Green, what is it? Green something. Green Bay. We're going to Green Bay. That's like only 200 miles. It's kind of a crappy load. 200 miles. What the heck? And then after that, probably going back to Michigan, and no idea where we're going after that. Could be anywhere, really. With my luck, it'll be someplace where it's snowing a lot. Please don't send me someplace where it's snowing a lot. I don't want to drive in the snow. Passing through Superior, Wisconsin again. Seeing this really neat thing out there. See it out there to the right? So, we're stopping here to do a little drone footage and see what we can see. Near Green Bay, Wisconsin. Out here walking the dog, checking the lights, tires at the same time. It snowed a little bit last night, just a little bit. I'm sure the freeway is fine though. Yeah, it looks like people are driving just as fast as regular out there. Brr. Come on, Bubber. Whoa. Careful where you're walking. Jeez. Let's check the lights. It's all working. Man, the trailer's dirty. That salt and snow really messes the trailer up. We got like, I don't know, 10 great big giant rolls of paper in the trailer. They're as tall as the trailer and probably half as wide as the trailer. And the load weighed about 37,000 pounds. But we're here in Green Bay getting them rolls of paper unloaded, and then we're headed to Oshkosh, Wisconsin to pick up some kind of like restaurant stuff, whether it be food or plastic gloves, who knows. And then we're going back to Michigan. So, see that green light right there? When that light turns red, they'll be unloading us. And then when the light turns green again, all we gotta do is pull forward, get the paperwork out of the back of the truck, and head to our next pickup. Easy peasy, you would think. But you never know with trucking. Sometimes shit just goes wrong. Right, Chase? Sure. Yep. Just never know. Like the snow this morning. We weren't expecting any snow, but luckily when we got out to the freeway it was all clear. Thank goodness. Hopefully it stays that way all the way back to Grand Rapids. I think they're supposed to get some snow later on today. So we probably will end up having to drive in it once again. No, winter has only just begun. Put the seal on. It's been a long day. Let's see. Interesting. Jesus Christ, people. Jesus Christ. Did you see that video? We had snow, thunder, and lightning. Snow, lightning. Just all of a sudden out of nowhere. Whoosh! Friggin' strong wind. Snow was blowing left and right. It was blowing straight up. And then we got lightning in the snow. That is crazy. We were trying to make it up the road a little ways to the rest area, but we ended up having to stop here at the M140 truck stop on I-196 in Michigan. And we're staying here. That was crazy. Oh, Jesus. I hate the winter. Still coming down out there like a cloud. Just blowing through. The truck's rocking. Holy moly. It's a crazy winter storm in Michigan tonight. Still coming down. That's it for this video. If you liked it, please subscribe. Click the like button. And we'll see you on our next trip. We're headed to Georgia tomorrow. So, see you then.